Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by backing up everything and grabbing the right tools so you won't stop halfway. Once done, power down, unplug the power cable, and press and hold the power button for 5 seconds to drain residual charge. Make sure to ground yourself with an anti-static strap or by touching the case. Open the side panel and locate the drive bay or M2 slot. This is where the replacement begins, so identify cables and any bracket screws before touching the drive. You'll next remove the old storage by gently unplugging the SATA data and power cables or by unscrewing the M2 screw and sliding the module out. Make sure to remember which cable went where. Taking a quick photo helps. Transfer any mounting bracket or screws to the new drive, then slide a 2, 5 or 3, 5-inch drive into the bay and secure it. For M2, insert at about a 30-degree angle, press down, and fasten the standoff screw. After that, reconnect. You now close the case, reconnect power, and boot into BIOS to confirm the new drive appears. Make sure it's in the correct boot priority if you plan to boot from it. Once in your operating system, initialize the disk, create partitions, and format before restoring your backup or cloning an image. Verify read/write performance with a quick transfer test. If the drive isn't detected, check cables and power connectors, try a different SATA port or controller, and update BIOS or drive firmware as a key troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.